Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Daniel and today we are starting with the fundamentals of Python programming. Our very first lesson in Python programming or in any programming language is how to print hello world. As you can see on my computer screen, we have opened PyCharm. I am using PyCharm for Python programming. You can use any other IDE. There are multiple options for you. Now I'll just write print and put a pair of parentheses, and in these parentheses I'm gonna write a pair of inverted commas. Let's just write something like hello world, and now I'm gonna run this program. You can see in output console our program has run successfully and it shows hello world. That's just a simple step of first program, and I'll catch you in next video.